Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I'm excited to share one of our latest builds here. Tesla Cybertruck came in for the ultimate package on the bumpers and got some side steps. Let's get into what all this customer got. So first of all, up in the front, we've got the T-Sportline CTX Extreme Duty bumper added up here. This is the fully steel fabricated bumper, bolts on, just like a factory quality piece. Really nice setup. It's all steel, there's no plastic, it's powder coated. And this customer chose for the winch. So the bumper has an integrated winch. Today he picked the Warn Xeon 12. That's a really nice winch, steel cable. We've got it with synthetic cables as well, got the remote, but it fits within the bumper and it's powered by a very cool power system from T-Sportline that integrates right into the truck. Gives you full 12,000 pound winch capacity up front, and the bumper is bulletproof. You can bang into things, you could pull this thing in and out of the mud, you could hook it up to a tree and pick up the truck. Check out that video we did. Then matching in the back of the truck, he's got the CTX Extreme Duty steel bumper for the back. And on that one, it's also got tow hooks integrated into it, and it retains the factory tow hitch. So a really cool bolt-on. Looks awesome. Again, it's steel, not plastic, and it's meant for extreme duty. Really cool stuff. Now, on the side, we've got the Westin HDX side steps. Just a personal choice. We carry these at T-Sportline. It's a little different look than the T-Sportline side steps. Maybe that's what you want. That's what this customer wanted. And let's talk about the lighting on this truck. So starting in the front, on top of the CTX bumper, the customer went for our Morimoto 2-banger package. That's 4 pods, 2 LEDs in each, up in the front center of the bumper. And then in the lower corners of the bumper, he got the 4-banger package, which is 2 pods, and they're the 3 LEDs. They're called the 4-bangers from Morimoto. You could pick those in any color, whether you want white or yellow or amber. You can get those in different power ratings, in different beam patterns, and literally point them or angle them up, down, left, right. So you have whatever frontal lighting package you want, and the Morimoto stuff is really awesome. That integrates, again, right into the power system. You control it through the Cybertruck. It's really cool stuff. On the back bumper, same thing. There's 2 lighting LED pods that are built into the bumper. They look OEM, very slick, built in, and it's gonna give you incredibly bright backup lighting. Pretty cool stuff. Then finally, underneath this truck, he went with our Rival skid plates. These are aluminum bolt-on skid plates that are gonna give you protection, replaces plastic or lightweight aluminum stuff, and gives you real underbody protection. So this truck is really set up, and of course it's got satin black PPF. Looks really hard. Love this thing. The next question is, what wheels should we put on this? We've got a lot of options at T-Sportline. I think the right wheels for this are our 18-inch CT6 beadlock wheels, but let me know in the comments, what do you think? All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.